Hello friends, how to hide Instagram account. If you find this video useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. After going to the profile, tap the three lines in the right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Account Type here. Switch it to Personal Account. When it's switched to a personal account, then we can hide it. Now it is switching to a personal account. Switched to a personal account. Go back. Tap on Account and Privacy. Scroll down and check Account Privacy. Here, turn on Private Account. Switch to Private. And here, how to hide Instagram account.